Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the object that will become clickable. This can be a text layer, shape, or entire frame. Once selected, make sure you know whether you need an external URL or an internal Figma destination. The steps differ slightly. Next, open the prototype panel so the linking controls are ready. This early preparation speeds the process and prevents rework later. With source and target in hand, you're ready to create the first connection. You drag the circular node from your selected layer toward a target frame or sticky to create an internal link. If you need an external link, click the node and choose Open Link, then paste the full URL. Make sure it starts with HTTP or HTTPS so it resolves. Once the connection exists, configure interaction details. On-click for buttons, while hover for previews, or after delay for auto transitions. Also set animation and destination options, so the behavior matches your design intent. You should always test links in present mode immediately. Click or hover as configured to confirm navigation and animations. If the clickable area feels small, expand the hit area by adding an invisible shape and linking that instead, then hide its fill. Once everything works, tidy layers and name the interaction for handoff. If something goes wrong, check that the correct layer is selected, that the URL includes HTTPS, and that target frames aren't nested or hidden. This single troubleshooting tip
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.